Hello, hope you are doing great. So today I will show you how to fix Logitech wireless gamepad F710 driver issue. So if you connect your driver, then this one is the controller. So if this is not working, is not connecting, so here you will see the error, driver is not installed. So uh, if you go to device manager, and then go to wireless gamepad, you see the driver is showing here, but there is an error sign. So you need to update this driver. Browse from my driver, let me pick up from the list, and you will scroll down. You will see Xbox 360 peripheral devices. Okay, so you need to set this one, and you need to click Xbox 300 wireless receiver for Windows, and then next, and then yes. Okay, now we will see Windows has successfully updated your driver, and wireless 360 wireless receiver for Windows is working now. So you will see this is now working. So if this video is helpful, then subscribe, like, and if you have any questions, just comment below. I will answer those questions. Thank you so much. Bye bye.